Hello, welcome once again to our humble channel. Salamat pong muli nang mali tayo nagkita-kita upang samahan kaming muli sa aming road trip today. Ngayon nga po pala ay February 26, 2023. Ang ating itinerary, Antipolo City in Rizal Province. Yes, we're going to Antipolo on our road trip today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our road trip. Fasten your seatbelt. Char! Okay, sige, simulan na natin ang ating road trip. But before that, favor please supporting our channel by subscribing. Please kindly like, share, and press the bell button so that you will be notified of our latest videos. Salamat po. Well, Antipolo is a city east of Manila. It's known as a Catholic pilgrimage site. In the Antipolo Cathedral, the shrine to Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage has a 17th century statue of the Virgin Mary. The statue of the Virgin Mary attracts thousands of visitors each year. Kasama na ako dyan. Antipolo is the first city east of NCR, or the National Capital Region. It marks the beginning of Rizal Province. Antipolo is a very popular spot for locals to hike and enjoy cooler mountain air. Antipolo is famous for National Shrine of Our Lady of Peace and Voyage. An impressive number of people flock to the cathedral all year round, especially during Holy Week, as it's one of the Philippines' major pilgrimage churches. Antipolo, dubbed a city in the sky, is a sanctuary for nature lovers who want to escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Antipolo is a safe haven for those people who permanently reside in the bustling city of Metro Manila. Before we continue, please favor once again, don't forget to subscribe to our humble channel. Support our channel by subscribing and kindly press the bell button so that you will be notified of our latest videos and road trips. Salamat po! Again, lastly, Antipolo is known for its beautiful natural surroundings and delicious local delicacies like suman, a rice cake wrapped in banana leaves. At ito nga pala, pag nasa Antipolo kayo, do not miss to visit these top tourist spots: Pinto Art Museum, of course, yung Antipolo Cathedral, Mount Puro Nature Reserve, at ang noon pa man ay kilala na pag sinabing Antipolo, ang Hinulugang Taktak Falls. May kanta pa nga yan, Hinulugang Taktak sa Antipolo. Yes, huwag niyong kalimutan bisitahin yan, nag-improve na ngayon yan. So, hanggang dito na lamang po muna ang ating road trip to Antipolo. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa amin sa aming road trip to Antipolo. Hanggang sa muli po nating pagkikita at road trip. Again, please support our channel by subscribing po, like, share, and press the bell button. Thank you for watching, guys. Maraming salamat sa oras na ginugol nyo sa panonood po sa aming munting channel. Salamat po. God bless us all po. God bless. Keep safe always. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.